Okay, this is problem 9 from chapter 9 of CFIN7. So, what is the internal rate of return of a project that costs $74,000 and is expected to generate $16,500 per year for 6 years? So, the formula that you would use is certainly beyond the scope of this class. So we're going to just do this one on the calculator. So second cash flow, second, clear, C/C, bottom right hand corner. So CF0 is going to be the 74,000 entered as a negative. And C01 is $16,500, and then F01 is 6. So then you just hit IRR and compute, and you get 9.01. So 9.01%. So let's clear. So second cash flow, second clear. All right, so 74,000. As a negative, hit enter. And then 16,500 is C01. Enter. Now our cash flow occurs 6 times, so F01 is 6. Enter, and then IRR and compute. We get 9.01.